When starting any business or trying to scale your business, isa sa pinakamalaking gastusin ang pag-rent ng commercial space. Most of the ideal place to grow your business presence is not for sale and it's only for rent. Napakamahal mag-rent sa Ayala CBD or BGC. At kung bibilhin mo naman, sobrang mahal. Yan ang struggle ng mga young Filipino professionals turned entrepreneurs nowadays. That's why today, I'm so excited to share with you guys this brand new, newly launched, at fresh from the oven pre-selling residential office condo development ng SMDC in MOA Complex, Pasay City. Featuring the hottest condo development ng SMDC kahit na napakadamig at chill pa. Ng tower name nito, SMDC's Ice Tower, the first reso tower of SMDC. Be sure to stick around at the end of this video to get to know the full potential of this investment. Grabe! Ang galing talaga ng SMDC. Innovation at its finest! Adapting to the new normal talaga ang theme ng newly launched Ice Tower. Biruin mo, they took the work from home concept to the next level. Amazing! Hindi mo na kinakailangang mag-travel to your clinic or office kasi nga, 2-in-1 na siya. At hindi ka na rin lalayo pa para lang magkaroon ng quality time with your family and loved ones. Love it! So let's start with the project presentation. Una sa lahat, let's first define the term reso unit. A reso unit refers to a condo unit designated for residential and/or office use. Very straightforward. Yung unit mo at future investment ay pwedeng magamit for both as a private residence and at the same time, you can conduct business in it. Tulad ng outpatient clinics like dental, derma, and consultation clinics. Or as a law office or other businesses that will not require you to have more than 6 people inside the unit. Ang key term kasi dito is yung and/or. Dual purpose siya. So, 100% sure na makakamura ka. While at the same time, you'll get the benefit of earning your additional income through rental yield and capital appreciation. Di ba nga, sa location pa lang, panalo ka na? Ideal itong investment if you're just renting a commercial space in Ayala CBD or BGC, then might as well spend your rental capital in buying your own reso investment. So, this is the Ice Tower facade and location map. At yan ang magiging itsura niya when the tower is completed. Ice Tower is located at Sunrise Drive Corner, EDSA Extension, MOA Complex, Pasay City. Katabing-katabi lang siya ng C Residences. And if you're in EDSA, opposite side lang siya ng Shell Residences. So, this is the aerial view of Ice Tower. Amazing! Sobrang ganda ng location niya for both residential and business purposes. And highly accessible siya sa lahat ng public transportations. Now, for the building features, as you can see on the slide, the tower has 6-passenger elevator. It has also CCTV cameras in all common areas, a high-speed internet and telecoms, a mailbox room. It has also fire sprinkler system and an automatic fire detection and alarm system. At ito yung pinaka-best. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-alala kung may power interruption or brownout kasi meron din siyang standby backup automatic generator system. Aside from that, meron din tayong garbage room kada floor. Meron din tayong sewage treatment plant at waste disposal tank. Meron din tayong 2 fire exits kada floor. O, diba? Amazing. By the way, guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Desai Barreto. I'm an OFW and SMDC Authorized International Marketing Partner here in Dubai. Welcome to my channel! If you're interested in condo investing or real estate investment news and latest trends, then you are at the right channel. So now, let's get back to the slides. Let's go to the building chart of Ice Tower. Isa siyang 17-story tower with 11 floors dedicated as reso floors and 3 floors dedicated for parking spaces. At yung ground floor is the main lobby at commercial strips. Makikita naman ang main amenities amenities sa 5th floor at yung Sky Lounge ay nasa roof deck. Silipin naman natin ang building amenities, floor plan, at unit layouts of Ice Tower. Here is a short video clip. And the unit types include studio units, 1-bedroom units, 1-bedroom and units, 1-bedroom and units with den, at 2-bedroom and units. I-discuss naman natin yung perks of Ice Tower. Finally, ito yung mga advantages when you buy this highly flexible and dual-purpose reso units. Number 1 advantage, environment to live and work well. Kasi nga, well thought out and efficient use of space. Also designed to maximize natural light and ventilation. With fiber optic internet at 100% backup power. Wow, gusto ko to. Yayamanin si Ice Tower. Number 2, environment to collaborate and ideate, which is the business hub. Merong training room, virtual room, ideation room, at dining meeting room. Number 3 advantage, environment that promotes work-life balance. Meron siyang fitness hub at social hubs, central at kiddie pool, pavilions, and terrace deck. Number 4, environment that has business services. Ito yung mga secretarial, managerial, virtual assistant, and office machines. Number 5 advantage, environment for ease of doing business. Ibig sabihin nito, una, built within fully integrated, transit-oriented, and highly enterprising developments. Pangalawa, near infrastructure developments that provide ease or access to key CBDs, the entertainment city, and the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Ang panghuli, near transport hubs. And number 6, environment that is fully integrated. Ice Tower will have an integrated commercial hub with a variety of concessionaires that will cater to your personal and business needs. Ice Tower will be an enabler and partner for entrepreneurs to become credible and successful. Dito ako excited sa next slide. Ito yung unit deliverables and specifications. For the dining area, living area, and bedroom, ito yung provided na ng developer. Painted plain cement finish on interior walls and painted off form finish on ceiling. For the kitchen specifications, countertop and splashboard with base and overhead cabinets at cooktop and range hood. O diba, panalo, ganda. And for the toilet and bath, meron na siyang floor-to-ceiling tiles, water closet with accessories, vanity counter and facial mirror, at shower set. O diba, yayamanin. On the next slide, pag-usapan natin ang payment terms and pricing of reso unit para hindi na rin kayo magulat at magkaroon kayo ng idea kung nasa magkano ba ang isang reso unit. As you can see on the slide, the average price per square meter upon launch is only 395,000 pesos per square meter, and the TLP or total list price ranges from 7.2 million up to 14.6 million pesos. The price per unit type is also shown on the slide. For as low as 26,000 pesos or $535 monthly, you can have this reso property with 0 down payment and 0% interest for 50 months. Sobrang laking discount nito considering na hindi ka na nagre-rent at yung supposed to be na expenses mo ay naging isang investment pa. Amazing! Para po sa mga nagtatanong kung anong ibig sabihin ng TAP, Total Amounts Payable, included na po dyan ang VAT and OC or other charges. At ang pinakahuling slide na ibabahagi ko sa inyo ay ang FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions about Ice Tower. Kinuha ko lamang po yung mga mahalagang tanong para sa kaalaman ng lahat. What are the maximum number of persons allowed in reso units? 6 persons po. Maximum of 4 occupants and 2 visitors. Is combination of units allowed? Yes. Combination of reso units are allowed subject to SMDC policy for combination of units. Are signages allowed outside the unit? Yes. Locations will be defined and subject by house rules and regulations. Can the business use the building name and address? Yes. What are the prohibited use of reso units? These are the following. Agencies which increases the number of individuals resulting to more than 6 occupants or visitors. Clinics that may have issues on waste disposal, that is clinics that perform laboratory tests. Offshore gaming, online betting, and other similar forms of gambling. Diplomatic, consular, or other political office which in the judgment of the declarant will increase the risk and compromise the security of the building as well as the reso unit owners. Catering services, eateries, and restaurants requiring heavy cooking activities. Agencies such as delivery concessions, massage services, travel agency, talent agency, employment agency may be allowed to operate in reso units provided that only backroom functions will be allowed to prevent compromising the load of the building. Reso units may be used as clinics to serve outpatients only, such as dental clinics, derma clinics, and consultation clinics, provided that the proper licenses must be acquired by the tenants and proper disposal of toxic waste must be implemented. And the most important question is, when is the estimated project completion? Ang sagot po niyan ay December 31, 2024. O diba, malapit na, mabilis lang ang panahon. Question of the day. Na-imagine nyo na ba ang future potential at property appreciation value ng isang reso investment? So guys, yan po ang details ng bago at kauna-unahang reso development ng SMDC. Alam kong marami kayong katanungan tungkol dito, but don't you worry, sasagutin ko silang lahat. Just leave me a comment down below. At kung meron kayong mga urgent questions or want to know more about reso units or condo investment, I will leave in the description down below my social media links where you can directly get in touch with me. By the way, kung super interested ka to know more about condo investing, you can also check out and watch my video about SMDC Sands Residences. Link is at the end of this video. 100% sure ako na magugustuhan mo din siya. Hanggang dito na lang muna, at kung marami kayong natutunan about reso condo, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell kasi this helps grow the channel. Please do share this video to your family, friends, and loved ones na may mga medical clinics, law offices, and other businesses na naghahanap ng magandang investment opportunity. Happy investing! Keep safe and God bless always. See you in my next video. Bye!